What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where, yes, the MC20 has been recalled, 56 of them to be exact. Now the supercar MC20 has a recall and it's not as big as you think. It kind of is, but it isn't. I'll explain. Brake lights are important, right? And they must work. And they must not only work, but they have to work exactly as expected. And just recently, Maserati has learned that flickering brake lights might cause a problem. Now, every automaker gets recalls all of the time. I mean, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, everybody gets recalls. So nothing too major. And Maserati already has a fix for this going, so I wanted to inform MC20 owners just in case. The Italian automaker is recalling 56 of his MC20 Supercars for having brake lights that flicker when the brake pedal is pressed. And yes, they still work, but this is something that the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration argues could confuse drivers and increase the odds of an accident. And the last thing you want is somebody slamming into your brand new $215,000 plus sports car. Now, the problem was first noticed in February of this year during a plant test drive, and Maserati discovered the issue on two vehicles. So it immediately opened an internal investigation into the flickering brake lights and looked to its parts suppliers for answers. Well, the Italian automaker discovered that the vehicles were potentially manufactured with faulty rear tail lamp assemblies containing printed circuit boards with an alternate MOSFET transistor that flickers under certain braking conditions. Now, using production records to determine the faulty parts had been put into Maserati MC20s manufactured from November 5th, 2021 to February 8th, 2022 and is recalling them. So if you have a Maserati MC20 that was manufactured between these dates, you might be getting a letter from Maserati on June 3rd of this year. A month from today, Maserati will contact owners and Maserati North America will inspect all of its affected vehicles and replace the taillight assemblies where necessary. Now, the repairs will be conducted free of charge, of course. It's a recall, and any owners who incurred the cost of repairing the brake lights will be reimbursed. Now, the new taillight assemblies are fitted with the correct printed circuit board and will therefore not twinkle and sparkle like a Twilight movie. But with that said, just to give you guys a heads up, anybody who has an MC20 between these dates, you might have some flickering brake lights. They will still work, which is great, but they will flicker. And Maserati has a fix. They will let you know about a month from now. So with that said, again, recalls happen all the time. Just wanted to keep everybody informed. But with that said, I want to know down in the comments below, what was the most annoying recall you ever got for any car manufacturer you ever owned? I want to say most of all of the recalls that I've had on most of my vehicles have been pretty, I want to say significant. I can't think of any right off the bat. You know, a lot of them have been important, like airbags or seat belts and stuff like that. That would save my life. But I want to know what you guys say for your most annoying. But if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. When you give the video a like, it helps get it up in rankings. More people can see it. And we can have a bigger discussion on a brake light recall for 56 Maserati MC20s in the United States. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate it. Love you guys. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You can get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies. I'm going to be making some new merch pretty soon here, so I will let you guys know what's new coming out for the summer lineup. And if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, so everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.